Say good morning. It is currently 5:10 and we've just got to Heathrow. We've been awake since 3, so we're both a bit tired, aren't we? But today we're going to Disneyland Paris. It's a bit of a strange feeling because of the whole coronavirus thing. I have a feeling that we're going to get there today and maybe have one day in the parks and then things might close. So I am excited, but not as excited as usual. So let's take you along with the journey and see what happens. We've got the pod parking, so we're going to go and do that in a minute. So I will film some clips of the little mini pods.
Hello, where do you want to go? You are going to Terminal 5.
Okay.
Is that okay? Please board your pod for Terminal 5.
In we go, Alice.
Here we go.
There's a man getting in the pod behind us. He's watching you. Chewie, we're coming in hot. Yay! Welcome to Terminal 5. Nearly gate time, so we're just gonna sit and drink our orange juice and then probably go look at the shops. I feel like I've got a bit of a runny nose already, so it's not really a good start, but hey.
Let me be right by your side, cause I know that this is right. Don't be shy, just get to know me. We can take this somewhere else. You and me can find ourselves. Stop pretending we are lonely. I can't call your bluff, cause I know that this is love. Can't pretend that you don't feel it. People think that you missed. I know you can't resist.
Hello again! It's been a while since I filmed anything. It's now 12:05 and our flight landed at 9:30 and we are in our hotel room here in Sequoia Lodge. So we landed at 9:30, got on the magical shuttle, which is like the Disneyland Paris version of the Magical Express, at about 10:15, and I think we got to the hotel at maybe 11:20, so it took just over an hour, and then we've queued probably about 40 minutes just to check in. It's really busy down there, which was not what I was expecting really with all the kind of coronavirus talk. But yeah, so I kind of just wanted to say sorry I haven't filmed much yet. With what's been going on, it just all feels a bit weird, and I just wanted to get here and know that we were here and the parks were open and everything's going to be all good. So I'll just show you around our Disney Vlogs tradition that he always has to do this. Nice bed, Alistair?
Feels like cardboard.
Oh. Oh. Are you serious? Oh, it is quite solid actually.
Good.
Yeah, it'd be good for our backs anyway. Right, I'll just do a little quick room tour for you. As you first enter the room, on the left hand side, you've got the sink, all nice and clean, little safe, area to put your clothes, and bathroom. Oh, the toilet's hidden behind there. Yeah, so it looks okay. I will say, I do think in general this hotel seems a bit dated compared to the Santa Fe where we usually stay. But hey ho, then as you come into the main room, you've got 2 nice lovely beds, and then you've got the Bambi detailing on the walls, and then that's me. Then we've got windows, but I think that's not an awful view actually. And And then over above where Alistair is laying, he's actually going to sleep already. We've got the lovely Bambi picture. So yeah, it's a nice room. I just think because here you pay a bit more than the Santa Fe, I was expecting it to be as nice, but it just kind of seems in need of a bit of a lick of paint. But I'm sure you'll see what I mean from the footage, and let me know if you've ever stayed here and what your thoughts are too. We're in Disney! So we're heading into the parks now. I'm not sure how much I am actually going to film today, just because I don't know if the parks are going to close at some point during this trip, so I kind of want to make the most of it. So apologies if these aren't as jam-packed as my normal videos, but here is some Disney magic for you. Just to show you how quiet things are at the moment, I'm sure everyone's probably in the parks, but nobody's in the Disney Village. We've got the place to ourselves, haven't we? And we're honing in on Starbucks. No refresher drinks like in Florida, but coffee. So little update. We've just been on Tower of Terror, and it's the first time we've ridden it since they did the update. And what did you think, Alistair?
It was scary.
It was really scary. There's this little girl in it and she's really creepy, but it was awesome. So I think we're going to grab a snack and then maybe try and queue for Crush's Coaster, because the wait times aren't too bad. I guess that's one of the good things about coronavirus. But we're having a really nice chilled afternoon, aren't we? Gnarly, dude. There are surprisingly still a few people in the parks. It's not as quiet as people made it out to be. The Animagique Theatre's looking pretty nice over there. Or the animation celebration.
35 minutes now.
35 minutes? That's really good. Oh my god, there's a little thing of poo over there. You see him? I've just spotted all the little statues like they have in Magic Kingdom. Now on a mission to find some food. Oh, that must be where the Frozen show is, inside there. So we got a little pizza from this place just by Tower of Terror. It looks like it's got brie on the top. Alice is having a hard time cutting it. So we're all refueled and ready for Crush. It's a 30-minute wait, so it's not actually too bad. I really love this ride. It's probably my favourite Disneyland Paris ride, I'd say. Spotted after riding Crush that they've got some Toy Story treats. Quite like the look of this one. So we got a fast pass for Tower in like 45 minutes. So we're just gonna see if we can sneak on Ratatouille. But it seems kind of busy in this bit of the park, so we'll have to just play it by ear really. But I really like the shop by the Ratatouille ride as well, so we'll pop in there even if we don't go on the ride. These booths were here last time we came, weren't they? Was this where we got that horrible hot chocolate? I mean, that looks... Ooh, pretzels. Mads would like those. Oh, it's just so pretty. Oh, that smells like mushrooms. So we are actually coming here for dinner on Saturday, I think. 15 minutes? That sounds good. Let's do it. So we are back at the hotel and I'm just laying out my outfit for tonight. So I've got my lovely H&M mini and daisy jumper, and then my Chip and Dale cheeky beans ears. So we're going to Inventions, so I wanted to kind of wear something that incorporates like classic characters. I also got these today. The new Aiyo's Grotto grotto coral ears, which I absolutely love, and a black spirit jersey. Thank you to my lovely friend Amy for giving me some euros towards my spirit jersey as part of my birthday present. You are my hero. Yeah, so just gonna chill for a bit before we head out. So I've had a bit of an outfit change. I'm just waiting for Alistair to get ready and then we'll be off to Inventions. I'm not sure if I will film the character meets or whether I'll just take pictures yet. It kind of depends how busy it is. But if I don't film anything, I'll insert the pictures now. Cheers! Have you seen the picture today? He's gone over there with them. I'm in trouble. Time for desserts. I've got Olaf, but he's only got one arm, and I'm still cracking on with my glotini. We haven't met Mickey or Minnie yet, but hopefully they'll come soon.